Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to hard reset the Samsung Smart TV. Let me show you how to hard reset the Samsung Smart TV. First, hold down the menu key and scroll down to Support. Choose Self-Diagnosis. Then, from the following menu, choose Reset. Now input the security code. The default is 000. App Yes if you're sure you want to erase all personal data and customize settings. Device is resetting and rebooting. Excellent. The hard reset has been completed. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up under this video.